So no tricks, no supports, nothing like that. It's completely up in the air. We just have it jammed underneath the frame here. So oftentimes I'll get asked just how strong is that log lift cylinder and how stable is the unit. Well, I have this log loader on this side. Again, I'm just a little over 200 pounds and I can't even begin to get that side off the ground. As far as strength on this, we'll fire it up and I'll pick her up. All right, so like I said in the other video, this one's kind of designed for the bigger tree service wood, but you can still do something a little bit smaller in this. So it's your choice whether you want to go single file through it, or if you want to run like doubles or even triples, you know, should the width allow. As long as you're engaging that big box wedge, it's going to go through it. So see how she does on this one. up again because the camera died, so I'm going to try and remember what I said the first go around. I pulled some Jenga wood out of the bag there just so you kind of see, you know, what we have going on. I put some over here on the splitter table as well. Again, we are an independent dealer for the manufacturers that we represent, like Brute Force and Halverson, NNZ with the firewood bags, AM Machinery with the log loaders, and Black Splitter with the hydraulic cone splitter. All those good pieces of equipment. We're an independent dealer. I'm just a one-man band, so when you call the phone number, you get me. Would love to earn your business with the sales quote. Again, it's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Again, this is a 2624 from Brute Force that we added a 9-foot log loader to. All the standard features of a regular 2624 plus the additional feature of a log loader. So give us a phone call, send us an email. We hope to hear from you soon. Again, would love to earn your business with that sales quote. So don't hesitate to call or email me. Don't forget, we're always working hard to be lazy, and grab that like and subscribe button here on your way out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.